doing some deck handrail repairs before winter comes and we're not able to. These deck handrails were very uneven, so we shaved them down, filled them in with Bondo to make the areas even where the boards met, and repair some other wood rot and damaged areas. And then to make them smooth and safe, because it's a top rail that people lean on, we use this Cabot Deck Correct product, which is great for filling up to 1/4 inch, smoothing out all those areas that could cause splinters. And now they're nice and smooth and freshly painted.